Kaspa just listed on Binance. Futures only, spot very soon. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to do our daily update about what happened in the Kaspa price since yesterday. Also, we will see the rank, the market cap, the hash rate, the categories and the top 10 addresses. Then we're going to move into the technical side of Kaspa and also into the technical side of Bitcoin. And we will close the video with this insane news that Kaspa will be listed in a 1 hour from now. Maybe when you see the video, Kaspa will be already on Binance, but on futures, not in spots. So on this video we are going to analyze all this current situation, how this is going to affect the Kaspa price, because there are lots of theories around that the Kaspa will pump, the Kaspa will dump. So on this video we will see all of these things, and if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you are going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel, because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around Kaspa and around the crypto space. So a subscription to my channel is going to be very beneficial for you. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start with the Kaspa price. That today, guys, we are below of 12 cents, and more precisely we are at 11 cents and very close to flip at 12 cents. Actually, we are 11.6% down since yesterday, and as you can clearly see from the chart, today we opened the candle bullish, but subsequently we had the pullback back to the lowest point of 11 cents. Okay, and right now, as you can clearly see, we jumped back and above of 12 cents. So the situation right now is quite volatile because the news of Binance, people have different approaches. Some people say that because it's futures, Binance will collapse the price, will manipulate the price, traders will manipulate the price. Other people say that right now the price will pump. Actually, guys, this video is 1 hour before the Binance listing, so when you're gonna see this video, maybe we will have a fluctuation in the price. So I would like to also to tell you that. Anyway, rank today is rank 30. Okay, very great, because guys, Kaspa adoption is growing day by day, and this is something that you have been warned many months before. If you go watch all my previous videos in summer, the last summer, you're gonna notice that you have been warned multiple times that, guys, be ready, because you're gonna see Kaspa very soon under top 50, under top 40, under top 30, and buy now that is super cheap, under 1 billion. Actually, I was yelling you lots of times, like multiple times. I cannot even calculate how many times I told you buy Kaspa under 1 billion. And right now, if you actually heard me, you are in phenomenal profit. And some people actually called me back in the days when Kaspa had 400 million market cap, 300 million market cap, and I was coming with predictions like Kaspa will reach 100 billion by 2025, and that's bearish, and they called me mood boy. Okay, my predictions are stable 100%. I never changed my price predictions since I found Kaspa. I believed since my first big bag that Kaspa has minimum 100 billion market cap by the next bull run, 200 within 250 billion, or maybe 299 billion as a conservative price prediction, and above 300 billion, okay, 300 billion within 500 billion, my bullish case scenario. That's for the long run, okay? And for the short term, my prediction was that obviously we don't know when exchanges and institutional investors will jump into Kaspa. As it seems, they jumped earlier, okay? No one was expecting like we're gonna see that early adoption from the institutional investors, but it happened, okay? That's why we exploded above 200 billion market cap so fast, and actually yesterday we were above 3 billion. That's insane a lot, okay? That's insane a lot. We are still without top tier exchange behind us, okay? Imagine what's gonna happen when you will see like Kaspa in every single exchange. I believe I told you that this scenario will play out before the BTC halving in the next coming months, okay? It's not so big period, like in April is actually the BTC halving, so I believe like inside of the next 5 months, we will see all exchanges into Kaspa, something that can skyrocket the Kaspa price, according to my approach, under top 20 and even under top 15 before the bull run will start. So imagine what's going to happen when the bull run will start. I'm expecting like $1 super fast, like in the middle 2024, if Bitcoin will start actually skyrocketing in the price, or like in August, September, definitely I can see Kaspa at $1. So the period is not so big from now, and you have actually to take action. I can recommend you my strategy because it's actually win-win strategy, daily dollar cost average. And if you have cash in the corner, actually when the price will drop, throw that cash into the opportunity, okay, to buy the bottom. This is actually for me at least the best strategy to do not get FOMO and actually to buy in the Fed, because Fed will happen, okay, but it won't last for big extended period of time. Anyway, you can notice that, guys, that for me personally, I bought in every single Fed. If you actually zoom here in the chart, I bought Kaspa, my first signal at 0.015 cents. I sent that signal in my Patreon. Some people are in my Patreon and right now they are like 10x from my first signal. But my second signal was also very strong. Actually, in the second signal, I told everyone that I am all in Kaspa, almost all in. Okay. And also next signal here at 0.035 cents after this massive correction that we had and after this insane explosion. Guys, I bought here when actually we had the Fed to the roof. Okay, everyone was talking about this head and shoulder pattern, and even Kaspa investors were selling in the 0.033 cents area just to buy lower. Okay, this was actually the perfect time to buy because we had Fed. Okay, actually, I'm going in the opposite direction with the masses. When masses actually say sell because the price will drop, this is the perfect buy signal. When actually masses say buy, and you see everyone buys like Kaspa or whatever, I actually observe the chart. I don't do nothing. My profits are in explosion. I enjoy my profits and I'm waiting the Fed. Okay, I do daily dollar cost average because Kaspa for me, guys, is far beyond an investment. Okay, it's not just an investment, it's far beyond an investment, a crypto investment. Kaspa for me is money. As I told you, we will use Kaspa as digital currency. This is where Kaspa is going, accomplishes 100% the main vision of Satoshi Nakamoto. And that's why I sort my cash, okay, I sort my fiat currencies and I long my Kaspa balance, okay, and I increase my Kaspa balance no matter what. So every day I sort my fiat currencies and every day I increase my Kaspa balance, and when I see big corrections, I buy massively. Anyway, that's actually some things that I would like to tell you. Let's go into the market cap and let's move on. 2.5 billion market cap. That's a lot. That's very big market cap right now. As I told you, to move on from here, we will need institutional investors to come into the game to see significant pumps, but are on the plan. Okay, within next 5 months, we will see those institutional investors. So I believe in the next like 2-3 months, we can potentially see double from here and get straight to 5 billion and probably under top 22. So we are moving there. Okay, under top 20, under top 15. And let's go straight into the current situation of Hashrate, because as you can clearly see, 64.74 petahash per second. We are up since yesterday, new ATH from the hash rate, and the current hash rate right now is 59.6 petahash per second. Very, very strong. Okay, we are in a consolidation phase above 55 petahash per second, and we are playing out with 55 within 64. That's a lot. Okay, to remind you, for the new investors of Kaspa had like 4 to 5 petahash in August, guys. And we saw that significant increasement because ASICs came into the game, and also the second batch of ASICs are coming like the last days of November, early days of December, maybe at mid-days of December. All the ASICs, the second batch will be arrived, will be delivered, and the new ASIC machines will be plugged in by miners. So I'm expecting a lot to see above 3 digits, the highest hash rate, okay, new ATH from the Kaspa Hashrate by the last days of December. Okay, this is actually where Kaspa will go, above 3 digits, something that's going to be ideal to welcome furthermore adoption with the ultimate protection. The next reduction, guys, is 19 days, the next halving of Kaspa. Kaspa does halving every month, pretty bullish. Okay, the smartest emission schedule plan. I repeat a couple things, guys, just for the new investors, because every day we have new and new investors. So some people don't know some big facts that make Kaspa super powerful. So this is why sometimes I repeat in my videos things that I said also in the past. And let's go, guys, straight into the addresses, because as you can clearly see, it seems something like we saw a decreasement. How the hell it happened, this thing? If someone knows what happened here, and actually yesterday we had 250,000 and today we have 249,000. Let me know down below in the comment section why we saw a decreasement, 1,000 addresses back, maybe some bag or whatever. Anyway, the address distribution since yesterday, the last 24 hours, we saw insanely more crabs, like 600 crabs, addresses, I mean, okay, 566 octopus, 152 fish, 18 dolphins, 4 sharks, 3 whales. Pretty great distribution. Okay, people, it seems that are buying massively, and I mean from new people. Okay, they are in accumulation of Kaspa. That's pretty great. Let's go, guys, straight into the top 10 addresses, because as you can clearly see, you will notice that KuCoin is buying massively, very aggressively, 928 million Kaspa coins, and actually KuCoin dropped another wallet that they got, like this wallet. Maybe they sent the 21 million Kaspa coins into the first wallet. That's why right now they are studying these 928 million Kaspa coins. But that's a lot, okay? If you actually do the calculations, KuCoin right now has approximately 950 million Kaspa coins, very close to become Aquaman. I told you, like, before 3 months when KuCoin had 600 million Kaspa coins, that KuCoin is heading straight to become an Aquaman, due to the reason that they were buying aggressively. Okay, they had very rapid increasement in their Kaspa balance, and that means that they know what they are doing. Okay, they believe in Kaspa and they buy Kaspa not just to be profitable by the customers, okay, from the people that buy Kaspa from their exchange, but I believe they buy Kaspa to have like a multi-billion worth of Kaspa by 2025, because this is where they're gonna head. Okay, they will become multi-billionaires. This wallet, if they're gonna hold all these Kaspa coins, obviously will have worth like multi-billion by 2025. KuCoin is gonna be top tier exchange by 2025, and mark my words for that. Also, Get.io is in the stable position as yesterday. Mixi actually added here 20 million more, 22 million more Kaspa coins, and also Get.io like 5 million more. Uphold is in exactly the same Kaspa balance as yesterday, and the rest addresses are actually the same. So this is what's happening from the top 10 addresses, and let's move, guys, straight into the technical side of Kaspa, and let's speak a little bit for the targets and for every hypothetical scenario that can play out. Okay, so you can clearly see that today the candle is red instead of being green, and some people right now have concerns why the hell this happening. We have like Binance news, and that supposed to be super big, and price of Kaspa to pump to 15 cents. So guys, let's declare the things. First of all, it's not Binance spots, okay? It's actually futures. And Binance futures are very well known that manipulate the price a lot. Many people are saying right now that they're expecting pump and dump for Kaspa. Like when we will see Kaspa futures on Binance, price maybe will have some pump due to the reason that it's going to be official, and then secondly we will see massive manipulation from the big whales that will sort Kaspa on futures. Anyway, I don't know if this is true. Okay, some people believe that Kaspa will skyrocket into another level. There are lots of different theories. Personally, I don't care and I don't know. Okay, whatever is going to happen, I will keep my dollar daily cost average, and I'm waiting for the opportunity to emerge. As I told you, I never buy in FOMO situations. I always buy in FAD situations when fear, uncertainty, and doubt is on the roof. So right now the FOMO is unreal. I keep my daily dollar cost average and I'm waiting for the opportunity. So if the price of Kaspa will pump, actually it's gonna give us some time to do not come to retest this massive aggressive uptrend support. Okay, if Kaspa will pump with this news to the upside. But if price won't pump or otherwise will come back, we will go straight ahead to retest this massive support of this aggressive uptrend movement. And if the support breaks, then guys, maybe we will get lower. Okay. And my worst case scenario right now obviously has been increased. Maybe it's gonna be the 7 cents, like the worst case. Okay, the worst case I can see to come back to retest this white line. Otherwise, maybe we will have some more like delay to come down with lots of ups and downs in the price, and we will come like to retest at 0.075 cents within 0.085 cents. We will see and we will keep observing that. There is a big probability of correction. I'm not gonna lie. Like right now, the FOMO is on the roof. Lots of people bought with whatever they got in the top. They didn't buy that at the bottom. So as more investors come into the game, obviously we have new investors, but obviously at the same time we have new paper hands, new immature investors, and new whales. And especially right now, the most important thing is the institutional investors that come into Kaspa, that most of them manipulate a lot the price. Okay, they can create selling pressure at the top, they can create lots of things, and they can play out actually the people that are inexperienced in this space. And they will push those people to take irrational decisions and panic moves. Because guys, don't forget that we are in an open market. It's investor versus investor. Anyway, so for me, as I told you, you can keep your DCA daily. If the price will drop, have a bag of fiat currency to buy the opportunity, okay? Because if you buy everything here, whatever you got, you throw it in 12 cents. If you see a correction to 8 cents, you will hit your hand in the wall that you don't have like fiat currency to buy Kaspa at low price. Because opportunities always emerge and you must have actually some capital ready to go into the market to exploit the opportunity. This is actually what I recommend also into my members in Patreon, into my Patreon group. And if you need help for that, I recommend you to join with us. We are a big group of elite crypto investors. Right now we are above 100 people. Okay, we have like 76 people are from the Patreon, and we have another 25 people that choose to be lifetime. So I recommend you to be in a pack of sharks, not a pack with streams, if you are looking to walk the next coming months, the next coming years in the path of the prosperity. And also guys, we have private live streams 5 days per week in WealthNet. So today, after this video, 2 hours later of this video, we will do actually a private live stream. I recommend you, if you are interested, to join and have the Kaspa vibes with Crypto Chris. I highly recommend you to join also to watch the live streams, the private live stream. And let's go straight into the Bitcoin price, because as you can clearly see, Bitcoin is standing at $36,500. It seems that Bitcoin is holding very, very strong this $35,500 support. And actually, guys, I believe if this will break, okay, if actually Bitcoin will come back and break this massive yellow line, probably we will continue into very, very big correction. Most of people right now are speaking that Bitcoin, because it's moving into a bearish divergence, can actually collapse the price to $31,250. That is one of the most crucial supports that I believe that we will go for a retest to that sooner or later, okay? Because in the bear market, it was very strong resistance. Once we broke that, we went straight to $37,000. And in the bull run of 2021, it was one of the strongest support lines. So as you can clearly see, when actually in the bull run we broke that, we entered into a bear market. This is why I believe before we move into the next leg up, like to $40,000 or above $40,000, we must come back to retest that. And if actually Bitcoin will hold the support here and won't break it, I believe we will go from here to $40,000, and then Let me actually show you. I believe from here we will go $40,000, and then we're gonna come back and break every support that Bitcoin will have ahead of us. And to remind you, as close we are moving into BTC halving, buying pressure is gonna become weaker and weaker with the Bitcoin. Okay, have this very well in your mind, because everyone knows that we buy after the halving, not before the halving. So this is why the selling pressure will win a couple months, couple weeks before the BTC halving. That's why Bitcoin has very big probabilities to do a correction. Anyway, let's go straight into the news, because Binance futures will launch USD CAS, okay, perpetual contract. And guys, this is futures, okay, not spot trading. So that means that spots are coming very soon. This is actually for someone who is thinking right now, why the hell we didn't see like the spots to be listed today too. The reason of that is because some people say that it has too big complexity to list spots, and futures are easier. So it needs first to see the futures, and then they're gonna integrate the spots. But the other side say that they do that just because they're looking to manipulate the price, and I tend more to this opinion because this is well known from Binance. I don't know that specifically. I haven't observed that yet because I didn't care. Anyway, some people that observed that told me that, Chris, they're gonna do that to manipulate the price. Okay, that's why they first launch the futures, because they're looking to manipulate the price. As I told you, I don't care. Okay, be rational what you do. I tell you right now that it can happen everything. Okay, we can potentially see pump to 15 cents, 60 cents, or even 20 cents, like the maximum target that we can touch now. But be careful that also can play out a big correction. Okay, be very careful. Be very careful. And if you invest right now in Kaspa, you must know, you must investigate, you must dedicate your time to actually learn exactly what is Kaspa and why it's heading straight to top 5, and why it's better than Ethereum, why it's better than Cardano, Solana, and all of these projects. Because only then, if you buy the top, you will know that even if it's gonna drop 30-40%, that subsequently is gonna get up. Okay, you must know what you are investing if you want to sleep well in the nights, and if you don't want to look every minute your portfolio and shaking at the same time. So this is something really good, guys. Also, if you remember, I did a video before 6 days, and I told you Binance is secretly buying Kaspa, listing very soon. And to remind you, I told you this because we saw massive fluctuation in the prices, plus we saw like the coin market cap that listed Kaspa properly, and coin market cap actually owned by Binance, and coin market cap, or Binance, call it as you like, had rules to be listed properly. You need to be in 3 reliable exchanges according to the list that they got of the exchanges that they trust. So Kaspa is only in 2 of these exchanges and listed properly. So that was like a green flag, like Binance is getting ready to list Kaspa in the exchange. 6 days later, actually, we saw this, the Kaspa listing in futures of Binance. So this is really massive, okay, because it shows us that the spots are coming, and the spots gonna create massive volume. Okay, the spots of Binance will create massive volume. The futures, it won't create that huge volume, and right now we don't know how the volume is actually gonna be exploited from the whales. Okay, are they gonna actually sort that? Are they gonna pump the price more? We don't know. So we're gonna keep an eye. We will see what's gonna happen tomorrow. We'll update you with whatever is gonna happen, because in 30 minutes from the time that I create right now the video, we will see this listing in futures. We will see Kaspa in futures of Binance, so we will see how the price will play out. And tomorrow, guys, I will update you. Also, don't forget to check my Patreon group, WealthNet, because here you're going to find my buy-sell signals. You will see how we move, how elite crypto investors buy. We avoid the fad. We avoid the FOMO. We know what we are doing. We know what we are investing. And if you need help for that, definitely you should join with us. 100 people and we are growing, plus private live streams that are going to be very helpful to answer you all your questions there, okay, because I do that almost daily. And guys, WealthNet is a group designed to help you build a proper crypto investing mindset. We are like-minded community. You will find inside of WealthNet multimillionaires, crypto YouTubers, crypto experts, whatever you can imagine. In WealthNet, you will learn from experienced people that have already succeeded in the crypto field and right now enjoy a wealthy life. And in WealthNet, guys, you will receive a guidance to avoid mistakes, because to become rich and wealthy in crypto, you actually must avoid mistakes. And this is a group that can help you to avoid mistakes because we have very big experience in the previous years. Okay, I'm actually investor since 2016, so highly recommended. And guys, if you're looking for the lifetime, the payment is via crypto. You can actually pay once and that's it. And you're going to have furthermore benefits if you join through lifetime. You're going to be in the inner cycle of WealthNet. And to join in the inner cycle, you'll have to send an email to wealthnetcrypto@gmail.com with a brief introduction around yourself. So we will review that and we will see if you are eligible to be in the roundtable of WealthNet. And for the people who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa, where you store your cryptos, the safest way, guys, the safest way is cold storage, hands down. My recommendation is Tadgem wallet. With discount code CryptoChris, you will have 10% off. And if you click the link, it's going to get you to the site. Press get Tadgem. It's going to put you in that page. And here you're going to have the options to choose the set of the cards. I recommend you 3-card set. Is safer. To if you lose 1 card, it's not a problem. You're going to have another 2. But in the 2-card set, if you lose actually 1 card, you will have anxiety that if you're going to lose the other one, it's over. Okay, so 3-card set is way safer. And don't forget the promo code CryptoChris here to get the 10% off in your purchase. So highly recommended if you are looking to sleep well in the nights. And that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. I will be happy to reply that. And also I appreciate you guys for all your support. It means a lot to me from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. And I'll do my next video. Your boy Chris out. Bye.